until you're given a big number as a numerator and the denominator, simplifying numbers can be very easy. But when you're given a bigger fractions like this one on the board, 636 and 1007, how do you go about simplifying it? You know that when you want to simplify, you're going to find a singular factor that will be able to divide this and this. Then how do we go about to find it? Let's do it this way. We are going to start by subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. That's how we do it. That's 1007 subtract 636. You have 7, 1, you have 10, 7, then 9, 3, 371. Continue subtracting. 6 minus 1, 5, 13 here, remaining 5 here, 13 minus 7, you have 6, then 5 minus this, you have 2. Continue subtracting. You have 11 here, and remaining 6 here, 11 minus 5, you have 6, then 6 here, you have 0, then you have 1. Continue subtracting. 15 minus, you have 9, then remaining 5 here, you have 5, then you have 1. At this point, you turn it the other way around. That is 159 minus 106. 106. Minus 9 minus 6, you have 3. 5, you bring down 5. This is 0. There's no need for you to put 0. Then you subtract 106. You subtract 53 from 106. You have it again as this. 6 minus is 3. And then 10 minus 5 is 5. So at this point, you see that if you continue subtracting, you're going to get 0. So for this, we know that 53 is a factor of 636 and 1007. So once we multiply 53 to give you 636 is 636 will be equal to 53 multiplied by 12. Then at this point, you have 1007 is equal to 53 multiplied by 17. So simplifying 636 over 1007 is equal to 12 over 17. And that's the answer. But the question is this really relevant to solving real life problems? Yes, is the answer. For instance, you have a room that you're asked to tile, and that room measures 636 centimeter by 1007 centimeter. What quantity of tiles are you going to use? And then how is the company going to cut the tiles? At this point, you will know that the company you're asked to cut the tiles that are used in tiling these rooms will cut it in squares of 53 by 53. So it is going to be in this form, square. This side will be 53, and this side will be 53. And how many are you going to need? Since the width is 636, you will be needing 12. You'll be needing 12 pieces. Let's come over to this side. You'll be needing 12 pieces. And then the length is this. You'll be needing 17 pieces. So altogether, that tile that measures 53 by 53, what will complete that room is going to be 29 pieces of tiles. Thank you. Please continue to like, comment, share, and follow me for more.